Let's learn more words. Words with OI. OI says oi, 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 oil, 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 boil, 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 coil, 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 foil, 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 coin, 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 join, 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 point, 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 joint, joint, joint.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.